Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9603XX. 28,000 miles. And this Equinox comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Nightfall Gray Metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12 months, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, Power Liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear, 60-40 split rear seat, folds flat easily with the pull of a handle, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Smart, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. There's also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. All-wheel drive lock. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.